The discovery that stunned the scientific community didn't come from finding a hidden civilization or a lost city beneath Antarctica. Instead, it came from something arguably more important, a revolutionary new way of seeing one of the most mysterious places on Earth. For centuries, Antarctica has guarded its secrets beneath an ice sheet that in some places is more than 2 miles thick. Scientists have mapped its frozen surface in extraordinary detail, but what lies beneath has remained one of Earth's greatest mysteries. Now, thanks to one of the most advanced Earth-observing satellites ever built, researchers have unveiled an astonishing image hidden beneath the Antarctic ice, one that looks remarkably like a hummingbird spreading its wings. At first glance, it appears almost impossible, a colorful bird emerging from one of the coldest places on Earth. But this isn't a trick. It isn't artificial intelligence. And it certainly isn't evidence of life beneath Antarctica. Instead, it's a remarkable demonstration of how far satellite technology has evolved and why scientists believe this breakthrough could transform our understanding of Earth's changing climate. The image was created using data from the NASA-ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar mission, better known as NISAR. This joint mission between NASA and the Indian Space Research Organization represents years of engineering and international collaboration. The satellite carries 2 sophisticated radar systems operating at different wavelengths, making it the first Earth-observing satellite of its kind. NASA describes NISAR as one of the most powerful radar systems ever launched for studying Earth's land and ice. Unlike traditional cameras that rely on sunlight, radar actively sends microwave signals toward Earth and measures how those signals bounce back. That difference changes everything. Visible light satellites can only photograph the surface. Radar satellites can detect subtle physical properties hidden beneath snow and ice, revealing structures invisible to conventional imaging. The breathtaking image centers on a remote East Antarctic mountain called Nunatak, Zadarjevshchesya. A nunatak is a mountain peak that rises above surrounding glaciers. As the enormous Antarctic glacier slowly flows around this rocky obstacle, tremendous pressure fractures the ice into vast networks of deep crevasses. Those fractures, combined with the mountain and flowing glacier, accidentally create a shape that resembles a hummingbird with outstretched wings. The body of the bird is the exposed mountaintop. The long tail is a river of ice flowing toward the ocean. The brilliant green feathers are actually massive crevasses carved by the relentless movement of glacial ice. Nature created the pattern. NISAR simply revealed it with unprecedented clarity. The colors themselves aren't photographs, they're scientific data. Magenta highlights relatively smooth ice surfaces where radar waves reflected in predictable ways. Green represents areas where radar signals scattered through rough, fractured ice, especially inside deep crevasses. White indicates locations where both types of reflections occur simultaneously. These colors help scientists distinguish different physical characteristics of the ice, information impossible to obtain from ordinary satellite photography alone. Perhaps the most exciting aspect of this discovery isn't the image itself, it's what the technology can now accomplish. According to NASA engineers, radar can often penetrate snow and even observe properties deep within Antarctic ice that optical satellites simply cannot detect. Signal analysis engineer Sung-Soo Jung described the hummingbird image as beautiful, not only because of its appearance, but because it reveals intricate details about glacier movement while allowing scientists to observe features hidden beneath the surface. That capability could dramatically improve climate research. Antarctica contains roughly 90% of Earth's ice and about 70% of the planet's fresh water. Even relatively small changes in how these glaciers move can influence future sea level rise around the globe. Understanding where glaciers accelerate, slow down, fracture, or become unstable is essential for improving long-term climate forecasts. NISAR was specifically designed to monitor those changes with extraordinary precision. Beyond Antarctica, it will continuously observe forests, wetlands, coastlines, agricultural regions, earthquakes, volcanic activity, landslides, and shifting land surfaces across nearly the entire planet. Another milestone makes this moment even more significant. Beginning July 20th, NASA and ISRO started releasing NISR's radar data to researchers worldwide. That means scientists across the globe now have access to one of the richest new Earth observation datasets ever collected. Instead of remaining inside government laboratories, this information is becoming available to universities, climate researchers, environmental agencies, and disaster response teams everywhere. This open access approach could accelerate discoveries for years to come. Naturally, headlines describing a hummingbird hidden beneath Antarctica's ice sparked enormous curiosity across social media. Some immediately wondered whether the image hinted at something mysterious buried beneath the frozen continent. The reality is both simpler and arguably even more fascinating. The hummingbird isn't an ancient artifact, it isn't an undiscovered species, and it certainly isn't evidence of an underground civilization. It's an extraordinary natural landform made visible through cutting-edge radar science. Sometimes the greatest discoveries don't reveal fantasy. They reveal reality with a level of detail humanity has never possessed before. That's exactly what makes this story so compelling. For decades, Antarctica has remained one of Earth's least understood frontiers. Every improvement in satellite technology peels back another layer of mystery. The hummingbird image is more than a beautiful coincidence. It demonstrates how sophisticated radar can expose hidden geological structures, monitor glacier behavior, and provide scientists with critical information about one of the most important regions influencing Earth's future climate. What appears to be a simple picture is actually a glimpse into the future of planetary observation. And if this is what NISAR can reveal during its first public data release, it raises an exciting question. What other hidden landscapes, geological formations, and scientific discoveries are still waiting beneath Antarctica's vast, frozen wilderness? The answers may already be orbiting overhead.